If you're looking for a high-quality Murphy bed to free up your living space, the Lori bed is the Murphy bed to choose. Hi, I'm Brendan from murphybeds.com, and here's an overview of how the Lori bed works. At its most basic level, to open the Lori bed, you unlock the cabinet and pull on the handle to lower the platform. Inside, there's space for a real mattress. It's held in place by these adjustable straps and supported by the comfort slats. We recommend the Lori mattress, which is a really nice hybrid mattress with special reinforcements so it lasts a long time when stored vertically in a Murphy bed. Plus, we designed the Lori bed in tandem with the Lori mattress, so the lifting strength of the Lori bed mechanism is perfectly matched to the weight of the mattress. To close the bed, you simply strap the mattress in place and raise the platform. I can do it with just a few fingers because it's so well balanced. After that, you just lock it in place for safety. Speaking of safety, the Lori bed has several safety features that make it the safest Murphy bed available. We've already talked about the key lock. The key can be removed and kept out of reach of children, so the bed cannot be opened. But let's go over some of the other safety features. The double chamber gas piston mechanism means that the bed tends to open only about a quarter of the way and stop until you're ready to lower the bed the rest of the way so it doesn't fall unexpectedly. When you're ready to continue the opening, just give it a little extra pull and the bed drifts down in a gentle, controlled way. We designed a second set of locks on the inside of the bed called the stay open locks. These prevent the bed from closing until you're ready. Now the bed tends to stay down when the mattress is in place, but when I engage these locks, there's no way the platform is coming up. Even if I put all my weight on this end of the bed, the platform is not going to close up inadvertently. You might be wondering whether the mechanism is safe even without the weight of the mattress holding it down. If we remove the mattress, of course, with the stay open locks engaged, the platform does nothing. But when I disengage those locks and I let the platform go, it'll rise somewhat quickly, but it'll still stop at about 75% of the way closed so that you can close it the rest of the way when you're ready. All of this safety is possible because the Lori bed is mounted securely to the wall through our proprietary mounting plate. So let me talk a little bit about the basic assembly process for the Lori bed. Of course, we have a thorough step-by-step video online of the entire process, but basically you assemble the cabinet, position it against the wall, check for level, and then mount the cabinet to the wall with 6 screws in the mounting plate. Once that's done, you can loosen these brackets slightly to make final micro adjustments, or move the leveling feet at the bottom to get the perfect level setup. After that, you assemble the platform, hook it to the cabinet, add the pistons, and close it up. To wrap up this overview, you may have noticed the shelf and desk on this Lori bed. These are actually an accessory kit that we call the home office kit. The base model Lori bed has an articulating leg that folds out right here. If you want to add one of our accessory kits, you simply swap that leg for a shelf bracket and add a similar one in the middle. The great thing about these shelves is that they stay level as you lower the bed, so there's no need to remove your items. And that's the overview of the Lori bed. Thanks for watching. Reach out to us if we can help you place your order or answer any questions.